In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add three or more fractions with like denominators. The approach we're going to take for the lesson is to show you all the steps that we follow to add three or more fractions with like denominators, and then we're going to walk through about 3 or 4 problems showing you how to apply these steps. Now here are the steps we want to follow. Remember, when fractions have the same denominators, we never really have to do anything about the denominators, but mostly the numerators. So the first step we're going to take is to add the numerators together, and then we're going to express a new fraction with the new numerator that we got from adding the 3 or 4 numerators together. Remember, do not add the denominator because you already have a consistent denominator. And then we're going to try to convert the fraction to a mixed number if possible or if required, and then simplify the new fraction if necessary. Let's look at some examples. So we have, what is the value of 1/9 plus 4/9 plus 2/9? So here's what we're going to do. The first step is to add the numerators together. So we have 1 plus 4 plus 2. This is going to give us 7. And so the next thing is we have 7, and then we keep the denominator constant. So 7/9. So that's all we're going to do here. Now we have 2/15 plus 7/15 plus 11/15. So we have 2 plus 7 plus 11. This is going to give us 9 plus 11, that is 20. So our new fraction is 20/15. And then we simplify this. This is going to give us 20 divided by 5/15 divided by 5. This is 4/3. And then we're going to convert to a mixed number, 4, 3. We have 1 multiplied by 3. We have 3. You have a remainder of 1. So this is going to give us 1/3. Next example, we have 5/24 plus 7/24 plus 11/24 plus 13/24. So we have 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13. 5 plus 7, we have 12 plus 11 plus 13. Here we have 23 plus 13. That's going to give us 36. So our new fraction is 36/24. We can divide to simplify. Let's divide by 6 on both sides. We have 6/4. Now we can divide by 2. And now we have 3/2. So now let's convert this to a mixed fraction, a mixed number. So we have 3 here, we have 2, 1 multiplied by 2. We have 2, we subtract, and so this is going to give us 1.5. Now, final example, we have 1 plus 7 plus 9, 1/16 plus 7/16 plus 9/16. So 1 plus 7 plus 9, we have 8 plus 9, which is equal to 17. So now we have our new fraction is 17/16. Now we're going to try to convert it to a mixed fraction or a mixed number. So we have 1 here, 1 times 16, we have 16, subtract 1. So this is going to give us 1 whole number, 1/16.